So Spa comprises of products which have many different ingredients and special ingredients like some Chinese herbal extracts. And also it's a combination of different machines and micro cameras. Dennis has always been a great friend and he's always backed us and helped us in whatever way he could. So really grateful to him because he is such a he's got such a great synergy and he's such a big star in the West and everywhere. The kind of people that he's done and the experience that he's had over the years. It's just awesome to have him as a friend on board. Well, we've got a great response. We've got some celebrities from the Bollywood industry and they've really liked our product. So we just hope that it does really well in India. I think they've really enjoyed the product and as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to people here in India. We've come a long way from the moment we incepted and from the concept of Micro Spa first came to us and it's been almost a 2.5 year journey. It's been really special. We've been really passionate about it and we hope the people in India enjoy it as much as we've enjoyed and to bring it to them.
I don't think Salman he's taken care of, first of all. So no, absolutely not. On the set, he's extremely professional. He has his managers and his entire team and crew there to take care of him. See, those are actually things that you hear. But honestly, shooting with Salman on Kick has been one of the most amazing learning experiences for me because not only is he extremely professional, he's Salman Khan, he's the superstar, but he's on time, he gives his best every shot, he's there to the last shot, and after that he goes and he works out, he maintains himself. So he's a fantastic person to work with and he's a fantastic person. And it definitely will take you ahead in your career. It's, one of the best opportunities you can have in Bollywood, and I just feel very, very lucky that I was chosen. I was cast in the movie. I think I'm so inspired actually by I think his the way he looks at his career, and I think the kind of effort and love that he gives to his career. It's amazing because it's almost as if like he just lives for this and every minute is spent working towards his career. Well, we just did a look test yesterday. We started shooting on the 15th for Roy, and it's extremely exciting because for the first time I'm actually doing a double role, so it's something I've not ever done, and I'm very excited. It's a beautiful European city, and Warsaw, honestly, it was a little bit cold, but that I think added to it. It was very, very beautiful. People there were very nice. The team was very professional. And our schedule went good, which is what matters the most. I don't think you can plan these things. Yeah. These are opportunities that come to you. So, yes, well, actually, I am someone who, thinks about quality products. And I think it's very important that, you should be able to maintain yourself, take care of your hair, take care of your skin, use right products, eat healthy, know about fitness. So, which is why, I think, the hair spa are disasters. Well, I think we do have a tougher time over here because the weather is humid. So for us, I think maintaining our hair is quite difficult. A lot of people complain about hair loss or, frizzy hair, and I think all of us have those issues. Today I was having a hair disaster, but there are amazing hair products that you can use that help to smoothen hair out. I think the best thing sometimes also to maybe do is just wear a cap or put your hair back. That's what I did today. I put my hair back. I think it's in our kind of our industry, and as actors, actresses, we face good times, we face bad times, like I think in any profession as well. And I think it's just the basic moral or the basic thing that you have to keep remembering is every time you feel like giving up, you have to remember why you chose this career. And that motivates you because he keeps telling me that, listen, your Hindi is terrible, you need to learn more Hindi, and that actually motivates me to learn more Hindi. Actually, my mom doesn't live with me, so I think I'm just gonna send her maybe a small gift or some flowers, because I think that if we can't take out every day this time to maybe just even give them something, send them something, it's really, really important. I think not doing anything will be quite sad. It's so far-fetched right now, it's almost impossible that it's I think there is no comment to have on that. So I think definitely keep yourself hydrated, eat good foods, eat nutritious stuff. Keep your hair clean, because I think that's basically the most important thing when it comes to maintaining good hair is just always keep it clean.
So I think my hair is not much of an issue, but I guess keeping in mind honestly the quality of water that we have in this city right now. I mean, I love everything else about it, but I think one needs some sort of hair care products just to keep your hair fit. Most of us actually don't pay much attention to hair. I just spoke to them. They're probably going to hand over a few products to me. I want to try them, and if they're as good as I hope they are, and keep trying them and using them. Well, I mean, as you rightly said, it's practically every day is Mother's Day, but actually I'm actually just coming back from a quick 2-day trip. It was one of those evenings where my mother was just a bit like, I need a holiday. Absolutely. Well, not really. I don't think I'm very well dressed. Normally I actually screw up quite often. But now I'm just trying to keep myself safe and not try any of my funky full hashtag shit. There are actually 2 films that I'm working on. There are 2 films that I'm working on, but you sort of hear about them as and when the time's right. One of them is an action flick, one is a comedy, so I guess, sort of weighed out.
A lot of youngsters, I mean, forget the elders, a lot of youngsters are complaining about hair fall and all that. I'm very happy that they've come out with this product. I don't know about others, but I'm for sure going to use it because the industry, the field of work that I belong to, we do a number of things to our hair every day, and I'm very happy that there's a product now to save my hair. I think he's always been very strong and he really knows how to come out of it. I just wish him all the best and I pray for him. I mean, of course I'm supporting, but it's not that, I was on the phone and no, nothing of that sort. I mean, I myself am not aware of what you just said. Fashion mantra, well, it's all about being comfortable and confident in what try keeping it natural. Most of the time, don't try playing around with it a lot. I try every bit to make things special for my mom. Tomorrow, day after is her birthday as well. So I think it's going to be a great. This is for the first time that I've tried this, and I think it's looking good. I'm enjoying what I'm wearing right now because it's so hot and something like this.
मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो मेरे किसी खास काम का नहीं है प्रोडक्ट, but it's good. I mean, it's a good product, I've been told, so it's a good thing. But I guess my next film is Mumbai Saga. That's the title. We are starting shooting in September, but that's all I can talk about it.